Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Google XML Sitemaps plugin in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and search for the Google XML Sitemaps plugin. Install it, then activate it. Once active, you'll find its settings under the main Settings menu. This initial step is crucial for setting up an effective sitemap that helps search engines discover your content efficiently. Next, let's configure the basic settings. Ensure the plugin is set to automatically build and update your sitemap. This saves you manual effort. You'll want to include all your important post types and taxonomies, such as posts, pages, and categories, so search engines can find them. Also, consider setting the priority and change frequency for different content, perhaps giving new posts a higher priority. Now, let's explore some advanced options. You can exclude specific posts or pages that you don't want search engines to index, like private content or old drafts. The plugin also allows you to manually add external pages not managed by your WordPress site. Crucially, configure it to automatically notify search engines like Google and Bing whenever your sitemap changes, ensuring they always have the latest version. Finally, it's time to submit your sitemap. Your sitemap URL is usually your domain. com/sitemap, XML. Copy this URL and head over to Google Search Console. Add your sitemap there and repeat for other search engines like Bing Webmaster Tools. Regularly check your Search Console account for any errors or warnings related to your sitemap, ensuring your content is being indexed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.